After performing randomized grid searches last time on a wide range of hyperparameters, we chose a narrow range of hyperparameters in order to perform grid searches. These hyperparameters were chosen based on accuracy trends seen in randomized grid searches. And just like last time, we ran each set of hyperparameters independently in order to prevent data loss through failed EC2 instances. Based on the results from grid searching, we decided that these sets of hyperparameters were best for the random forest algorithm. After applying this model to the testing set, we attained these very weak results. These performance metrics are the worst out of all algorithms that we've tested for this image classification task. These sets of hyperparameters actually performed marginally worse than the hyperparameters we applied to the testing set last time. However, we chose these sets of hyperparameters because it seemed more generalizable. However, random forest remained the weakest performing algorithm even after rigorous hyperparameter tuning. And this was most likely due to random forest being ill-suited for image classification tasks complex as ours.